Guys, I promise this is the last video I'll do on pull-ups. There's only one small muscle that I really need to talk about, and that's the Teres Major. The Teres Major muscle is a muscle that lies right under the posterior delt, but right above the Latissimus Dorsi. So this would be the lat area, this would be the posterior delt, and the Teres Major is right in this area, right in between the Latissimus Dorsi and the posterior delt. The Teres Major originates on the inferior angle of the scapula or the shoulder blade, and then it attaches or inserts on your humerus, which is your upper arm. So if anything is going on with that Teres Major muscle, not only is it going to affect the scapula, but it's also going to affect your humerus. The main actions of the Teres Major would be to adduct the arm, bring it closer to the body, to extend the arm behind us, and also to medially rotate the shoulder. So unlike the levator scapula, where if it's overactive, it would drag the shoulder upwards, the Teres Major, if it's tight, is going to cause the scapula to upwardly rotate. So let me show you guys how I like to attack the Teres Major muscle using a foam roller. So I'm going to start off by setting the foam roller right on the Teres Major muscle, which is right here. Once it's set, I'm going to extend my arm, and then I'll start rolling forwards and backwards on that muscle. Because the Teres Major is a really small muscle, I'm not going to be doing a lot of back and forth on the foam roller. Instead, I'm just going to set it and let it marinate. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys very soon.